state subjects, which is the law and order, that also controlled by the central government directly or indirectly. You see, in the 31st May 2023, the central government has already removed the chairman of the unified command. Conventionally, chairman should be the chief ministers of a state. That is not only in Manipur, that is across the nations. The chairman of the unified command has been removed on 31st May and still continue by the security advisor Shri Kuldeep Singh. So this is what about this thing? This is a concern of the state law and order. It is totally violations of the state subject, which is about the law and order. It is totally violations of the article provision of the Constitution, which is enshrined there in this the 7th schedule of the Indian Constitution. So this is directly this neglecting the voice of the people, and also all the time the oppositions, our party is demanding why and how such this removing of this state subject and directly controlled by the state central government. We all the time questions in the assembly or in outside the assembly also. So now very recently, couple of days back, Honorable Chief Minister went to the governor's office along with the councils of ministers and ruling MLAs and demanding that to hand over the authority of the unified command. So, Honorable Governor, whether it is accepted or not, that is their concern. But how it is possible, you see, government is demanding to the governor to hand over the authority of the unified command. So, since the 31st May 2023, Honorable Chief Minister didn't say anything. And again, this demanding to hand over the authority of the unified command. This is why they are playing the drama to the people, the innocent people. And now, the peoples are suffering and still continue the violence and completed 16th month. And on the other side, you see the situation over there. We have only 2 national highways, which is lifeline of the people of Manipur. That also blocking since May 2023. And we are suffering a lot to get the essential commodities over there. The essential commodity which are available now, that is also getting at the high prices. You see in the price index of India, Manipur is the highest. The inflation rate across the nations. Now, our state is the local inflation is 10.7, which is highest. In other states like the UP, Delhi or others, so that is below 5%. Now, whatever we get, the essential commodity, it is at a very high rate of these prices. No, the index is in there. So this is there. This national highway is blocking since May 2023. Still continue. There is no protections to bring all this essential commodity from the other states. That is what we are suffering. And also these students also getting a lot of problems over there. And these IDPs, internet displaced people also, they are still in the relief camp. How much we suffer? Is there any such type of this high-tech, these drone bombing, and also using these RPGs in other states except Manipur? It is the first time in India which is happening in Manipur since independence of India. So how can it be possible, and how can treating by the central government being the states of India? So it is very difficult to understand the policies of the central government, and why Mr. Modi is still silent on Manipur issue. So we want to know the consent of our state from the central government. That is why a lot of things that which is very unpredictable over there and is very difficult to measure the policies of the central government. There is, so far, it has been completed 16th month, but so far there is no concrete roadmap to resolve the issues in Manipur. So how these, being the citizens of India, we cannot understand the roadmaps, the ideas, to resolve the issues.